Is she happy? Oh, nice and soft.
I love it.
She does love it. Not too hard.
She loves it.
She does love it. Can I see your smile? She's so happy. Whoops. Is that a little bit hard, do you think? Or is she okay?
She's okay.
She's okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's not scared anymore.
She's not scared anymore?
She loves it.
Yeah, who are you pushing, Eli?
Lauren.
Lauren. What's her middle name? Do you remember?
Remember.
Lauren
Pearl.
Lauren Pearl. And what's your name? Eli what?
Gonna scan the time.
Gnitsky Natan. And do you remember when your birthday is?
March 8th.
Good boy. And how old are you?
6.
You're 6?
Yeah.
No. How old are you?
2.5.
Oh, 2.5. And how old is Lauren?
2.5.
Lauren's 2.5 too?
She's not scary.
No, she's not scared.
She's not.
She's happy.
3 pushes.
Yeah, that's so great of you, buddy.